Hey guys, I was just wanting to show you something that we made like yesterday. Do you see that down there? It says S-T-A-R-T. It's a start. Then you got a line going over there. Got like a swirl. Then a line. Alright. Goes to start. You're going to be doing this obstacle course that I made with my friends. Like this. Following the line. And you just keep going. And then here it says jump. So you jump. Come across the loop-de-loop. And you're going crazy. Then the hopscotch. Yeah. Then the hopscotch. There's the hopscotch. Okay. Then 2 feet, 2 hands, and a head. The zigzag part. And keep on going. Quick. Now, the other part. Hold on. Let's just skip that part. I can't get it through there. And go on to over. Here. And coming through here. Swirling. Come across. Jump. There's a car on the way here. So, we're going across here. Past the car. Loop-de-loop. Turns to a new color. We ran out of shock there. There's my friends over there. Don't mind them. And it goes back. Boing, 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 boing. And it goes. And you just charge all the way back. Come on. And stop turning, jump, and keep going, and that also means goodbye.